everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my July beauty favorites. I don't have a lot of products to share with you guys, but do have some to share. So if you want to know what my favorites are, you can just continue watching. I also do want to mention I do have an international back to school giveaway, so if you'd like to enter that, I will link it down below. And yeah, if you want to know my favorite products this month, just keep on watching. So I do have three brushes that I've really been enjoying lately, like a lot. I have a hair. You guys can't see it, but look, every time I move, it's just like moving. So I have three brushes that I've been loving this month. The first one is this one right here. This is the Ulta Beauty Precision, I can never say that word, Precision Foundation brush, and it looks like this. It has like a slant on this side. I really have been enjoying this to blend out my concealer. It has a really nice shape to it, and I like the flat side to really blend out my concealer. I like using brushes to blend out my concealer just because I feel like I get the most coverage using a brush and not with a beauty blender or sponge. I just feel like sponges kind of get rid of the coverage, so I like using, again, brushes. So I've really been enjoying this one. The next brush I've been enjoying is this Sigma Dual Fiber Powder slash Blush Brush, the F15 brush. And this is what that looks like. I actually use this to bronze up my face and contour. The Taylor, she actually came out with a Sigma like brush bundle, and I was gonna pick it up because I really love her. I like watching her videos, and this brush was in that bundle, and I'm like, that brush looks super familiar. She had like three brushes, I believe, in her bundle, and this was one of them. I think the flat top kabuki brush was also in it, but I do have that one, so I was like, well, I have one of the three. I should just pick up the bundle, but then I'm like, this one looks really familiar also, so I looked into my collection and I had it. Yeah, this brush is really nice to bronze up your face and also up here and your nose. I just really like this brush, super soft, and then it also has like the dual fiber where it doesn't allow you to pick up like excess powder to create like a really hot mess on your while doing your bronzer and contour and stuff like that. This brush is really nice. I am also an affiliate with Sigma, so if you'd like to get a discount if you purchase a Sigma brush or anything on the Sigma website, it's my discount code. I will put it on the screen right here, and also it'll be down below. But I really like this brush for bronzer. Yeah, I've been using this brush a lot. Another brush that I've really been enjoying is this one right here. It's a fluffy blending brush. This is the Morphe M535 brush, and it's just like the perfect density, the perfect fluff to it. I used it today for my crease. Like, I just like how soft it is. It just blends out everything and blows out my crease shades. I really want to pick up another one of these. I looked on Ulta and they don't have this brush. It's only on the Morphe site. So once I order the Jaclyn Hill Vault, I'm gonna pick up another one of these because I just really have been enjoying this brush. Super soft again, and it just really blows out my crease. So I've really been enjoying this. I've really been enjoying this brush as well. Another product I was enjoying was this NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. It's just a felt tip liner. I love how like precise it is and how dark it is. It's really like nice and smooth. It's a really good felt tip liner if you're looking for something from the drugstore that's good, doesn't skip, and it's really like, it glides on. It is what I'm using for my wing liner today. As you can see, it's super dark, and it's really good. It was like $7, I believe. It's really good. People were comparing this to the Kat Von D Trooper, and I honestly can say I think it's pretty much a dupe to it because they both have the same consistency of being like really smooth when you apply it. I really like this felt tip liner. Check it out if you haven't already. Another product that I've been loving is the ColourPop Supernova Shadow in Lucky Penny. I used this a couple times this month, but I get compliments every time I wear it. Look how beautiful this is. It's like blue, green, holographic, like glitter. I use this for work, and my coworkers, every time she saw me, she's like, I can't stop staring at your eyes. Like, your eyeshadow just looks really nice, and it's beautiful. Like, you get reflex of blue, green, and like some white also. Did I mention the name? This is in the shade Lucky Penny. Super nice. It's really reflective. I definitely recommend these Supernova shadows by ColourPop. So I've been doing shop my stash videos, so I've been testing out 4 foundations every month. So I go through my collection and pick out a new foundation every week to use. And the standout foundation for me this month was the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. I have mine in the shade Natural. This is light on me, so I do have to use a foundation mixer to deepen this up, but this just looks super beautiful on my skin. It gives me the coverage. It's pretty much like a medium coverage, and it doesn't look heavy or cakey on either. Like when you blot, this looks beautiful on your skin. Like it looks like you just applied it. I actually also have another LA Colors product in my favorites this month, but this foundation just looks stunning. It's only $6, I believe. I picked mine up at Family Dollar. It's really nice. I've just really been enjoying this foundation. I really enjoyed it the week I used it, and I just been wanting to use it more and more. Like, it's just a really good foundation. The other product from LA Colors that I've been loving as well is the Strobing Illuminating Powder, and it looks like this. And it is the highlighter that I'm wearing today as well. I actually swatched this and compared it to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Emrezi highlight, and it's pretty similar. Like if you weren't able to get your hands on Emrezi, pick this one up. Again, another, I think it was like between $3 and $6. Super inexpensive. Again, I also got this at Family Dollar. It's really reflective again, and that's what I have on my cheeks. I wore this like 10 in the morning, and then until I got home it was on for like 12 hours, and my highlight was the same. Like it did not fade at all during the whole day. I was very impressed. I was like, what highlight am I wearing? Because I don't remember what highlight I was wearing, and then I was like, oh my gosh, it's the LA Colors one. Like it's very long lasting again and super pigmented. I have another highlighter to share with you guys. They're by the brand Pixi by Petra, and they're the Glowy Gossamer Duos. This one's in Delicate Dew, and this one's in Subtle Sunrise. There's no subtle about any of these two. These both are beautiful. These both were sent to me by Pixi, and I'm super grateful. So this is the Delicate Dew, as you could see there. Look how beautiful those are, and these build up really nicely and intense also. And then I'll swatch this one also. This is the Subtle Sunrise, and that's what those look like. Look how reflective they are. And it's these ones up here. These are super reflective. A little bit shows up super well, not intensely if you apply it like really light-handed, but they can be super intense. I just like how reflective they are and how wet looking they look on the skin. Pretty similar to the LA Colors Strobing one as well. I just feel like these are also very long lasting, and I just like how wet they look on the skin. So these ones are a little more than the LA Colors one, but these ones are definitely worth checking out as well. And then the last product that I have enjoyed for the month of July was this NYX Swear By It palette. I do have a review on this and also a tutorial using this palette, so if you guys are interested, definitely check this out. I was very impressed with this palette. I really enjoy all the shades you get, how pigmented they are. I had no issue with blendability, they were super long lasting. They did not fade during the day. I can swatch some for you guys. Again, super pigmented, as you can see there. I think this is sold out right now on the NYX site. I haven't seen it on the Ulta website, but if you're able to pick this up, I definitely recommend you guys picking this up. I love that you get a variety of shades. You get your basic neutral shades down here. You get a black, you get a dark brown, orange, reds, warm tones, cool tones. You get pretty much every single shade in the rainbow in this palette right here. This palette's super nice. I would definitely recommend you guys checking this out. Again, pigmented, long lasting. I have no issue with this palette, so I would recommend you guys picking this up. If you are eyeing it, like, you will not be disappointed with this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed my beauty favorites for July. Let me know down below if any of the products I mentioned you have tried and you have been enjoying as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!